welcome back. So just a quick update as to where we left off. Today we are going to be putting on the clutch for his motor, which we have already here. We last left off where we primed it, got it all ready. We put all the timing accessories on over here. It is ready to go, so we're gonna put the clutch on and then transmission on, which is hiding over here. And then hopefully we'll be able to actually move the Evo back out, put it right here where the 2-post is, and try and hang the motor today. We're gonna hang it by 2 mounts instead of 4. Our goal is to get it hanging. We will see how far we get. We're getting kind of a late start today, but I'm just kind of updating it as I go. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Getting the blue lines at the top of the flywheel because this is where all the blue lines have to match up for the clutch. Incoming, we got a clutch. Now this is my favorite part. He just brought the prettiness, although we didn't clean it. So we are going to be torquing down the clutch pressure plate area. It's 13 to 15, give or take. So we're gonna do 13 just in case I over tighten. What? Is there something you forgot?
Last plate, the third disc.
Third disc. You didn't forget anything this time around, did you?
Not that I know of.
What'd you forget? What'd you forget?
Remember that plate that held us up last time?
No.
I'm not even with it. Like, for real, forgot it.
I even asked. We've got the plate on, and you forgot. Clutch is back on, retorqued. We're about to put the transmission back on, so we're going right back to where we were. Catching, ow, that hurt. Catching you guys back up. Alright guys, so we've got his motor completely together. together. Transmission is on. Ugh. It's so pretty-ish. We are going to get everything ready now, guys, to hang the motor in the silver car on the 2-post lift that we got. All right, guys, so just a quick update. It is the next night. We are going to be moving the Silver Evo out from under the 4-post and rolling it down and up and putting it where the 2-post is gonna be, or is, should I say? We are not looking forward to moving the car. Hopefully it's not as hard as the Camaro. The Camaro is really hard to push. I don't think this one's gonna be as hard. So we're gonna go ahead and get this fun part started. Alright, boys and girls, so we are lifting the Silver Evo to put in the motor, which is right there. It has been heartless for quite a while, so we are excited to get this baby back in. Alright, this is the hard part, is trying to make sure everything is going to be aligned. I'm looking. Oh. And our light died. So charging lights is important. We're having better shop lights, but we'll get there. Is this what it's like to put the transfer case on from underneath?
I've never done it in my life.
Doesn't look like you like it though. Oh, Jesus. Oh, there it goes. Oh, you got it? So much easier. Oh. Alright guys, so we got the motor in and hung by the 3 motor mounts. We are just tightening up a couple of the bolts on the transfer case, and from now to the next time you see this car, it should be mostly put together, if not running already. So we'll do a first startup, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.